Okay, here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Friday, May the 27th, 2011. Well, going into today, I'd mentioned yesterday that if the market could hold above the 27 area, that would be a bullish indication. Here's 27 right here. This is the profile from the overnight session, and this is our profile from today's regular trading hours. So you can see that it spent some time below it overnight, but most of the time above it. And this is where the market opened in the regular trading hours. So nice support here right at our 27, and then went up and hit onto our next area that we were anticipating could act as resistance, which was the 33 area right here. So these were the areas that we were looking at, and as you can see, the market basically traded between those two prices for the bulk of the overnight and the day session. So we're going to continue to look at 27 as support. Next support down will be 23 and then 19. After we get above 33, the next area that we'll be looking at is not up until about 42. So we do have intraday bias going into early next week. We also use these profiles, which are the regular trading hours. In other words, they do not include the Globex overnight session. And we use them, of course, also in our analysis of the market. Here is our software right here, and as you can see, it has blue up arrows, and these indicate long trades. We don't take every one, of course, but these are indications that we should consider for long. And here's two indications here for short trades. So what ended up by happening today is we actually only took 3 trades. We took the first 2, which is this long one here. So we got in right here, and it did rally, hit our first and second objective. The second trade right here did not. This third trade right here was not taken because we already were short, and we ended up with a couple ticks loss on that after about 10 minutes or so into the trade. We did not, this was our next one down here, we did not take it in the red. We did not take this in the red. We did take this one though, and this is a little bit of a different scenario because we knew that the 27 area was our support. And so when the market got down to here, it actually hit 27 right on the dot right here, got us long at 28, and the market had a nice rally higher. So when we're intraday up, as we were, because the market had held above 27, and when the market comes down and gives us a good trade entry location near the known support and with our intraday directional bias, we will take the trade because that does qualify for our 2 out of 3 scenario. The third one, of course, is the filter, which did not qualify because, of course, we had a red filter here for most of the day. So that's what ended up by happening today in our trades. Just 3 trades, nicely profitable, not by a tremendous amount, but then again, the entire day's range was only, I think, about 7 points or something like that. So a pretty quiet day all in all. Just about a half the range of what we've been experiencing lately. So we do expect more up. We're going to continue to monitor 27, as I said, with the key with looking at 33 and then possibly even 42. There will be news on Monday on Tuesday. Of course, Monday's a holiday. And we will be taking a look at the news that will be released on Tuesday morning, in particular the the Chicago PMI and consumer confidence at 9:45 and 10 o'clock respectively. Any questions or comments, don't hesitate in getting a hold of us. Always enjoy hearing them. Your questions and comments, just reach us at info@eminidaytrader.com. For those of you in the U.S., have a great Memorial Day weekend, and everyone else. We have a extra day off, i.e. no trading on Monday. U.S. markets are closed. So have a great long weekend, and we'll see you again on Tuesday.